In this video, I'm going to show you the best intraday trading strategy that is working very well for us. No matter that you trade crypto, forex, or stocks, basically this works very well. Okay, right now you can see that we have launched the big players target blueprint indicator, and this is also listed on our website fxmentorus.com. If you go to the indicator section, then the first indicator is the big players, and you can read all information about this indicator from our website. The link is given in the description of this video below. And if you want to book the lifetime version, you can contact on Telegram, you can email us, and also the WhatsApp support number is also given in the description of this video. Okay, guys, so right now you know that today it's Saturday and Forex market is off, and I am just making the video based on the crypto market right now. Okay, but this works on all assets that are supported on TradingView. Okay, right now if I go to the input setting, you can see I am using the depth one. Okay, now just press OK, and let's see that we have three levels on our screen. Okay, and now you can see this is the dead overbought levels of the market, and for Bitcoin the blue will stay the oversold. And what we do, we do not plan our trade just when the market hit the red level and it slightly goes above it, because these levels are based on the price action. Okay, what we need to do, if you just look at here, because if you just look at here, after the levels we have the moving averages in purple color. Okay, now you can see, if you just look at here, all we just wait is to wait for the crossover of the moving average, and then we can take our entry, because this is the overbought levels for the market, and the crossover is the confirmation that the price wants to change its trend. Okay, now in that case, you have a very good chance you can even exit the at the mid in between the 2 points. Otherwise, normally the price targets the green zone. Okay, so what will be our stop loss? Our stop loss will remain above the red level. This is the maximum stop loss. Okay, now I'm going to show you example on gold. If I show you the gold, then you will see very well that that if you just look at here, you can see the bearish crossover, and then you can see the market is finally down. Okay, so this is how we use this indicator. Okay, so going back to the Bitcoin, and now let me show you the magic of the depths. Okay, so if I go to the settings, and if you are a like swing type trader, then you can choose the depth 2, which I personally use, and I personally love it. And now you can see the levels are far away from each other. Okay, now you can see what is happening over there. Okay, it's very simple. The price break the green level, and then it was basically going to the intention of the red level. And right now we have seen that we have seen a throughout bullish pressure in the market, and let's see if the market is able to hit the red level or not, because overall, technically, if I am into the trade, then already it went very near to that, so I normally exit just below the level. Okay, I can show you one more trade that my trade is active, so I can just discuss it. That last night I took a sell on SUI USDT, and it must be running so far. Okay, okay, not from here. Okay, here SUI USDT. Okay, so I can show you the same thing. You can see why SUI is going down, because we have the bearish crossover, and then you can see the price has already down and throughout the night, and this trade is still running. And you can see that I have plotted the yellow line, and this is my maximum stop loss. So what I am targeting, at least because on the depth 2 the distance is very high in between the 2 points, at least halfway, or my maximum will be this one. Okay, this will be my final TP, but I can even close halfway. So if you are doing future trading, then this is very helpful. Okay, I can show you multiple examples. Like if you go to the crypto group, and you choose the random pairs, like for example, let's use peppy USD. Okay, so what's going on here? Okay, now you can see that basically the market is bullish at the moment, because it's above the with the green zone. Okay, so this is how this indicator works, and this indicator is very perfect. If you are a swing type trader, you can change the depth level. Okay, now you can see, look at this, we got a very good scalping chance here. The link USD touched the red level. We have a bearish crossover. You can see it has already given you a swing, right? And then there is a bullish crossover, the price is going up. But again, you need to understand that these levels, the red level at the top, represents the maximum the overbought levels of the market. So anytime market can drop and it can target the green level, and we need to be very careful about it. Okay, guys, so this is the big players indicator, and you can get the access from Telegram. You can visit our website fxmentorus.com. You can use the contact us option for Telegram, email. Otherwise, our WhatsApp support number is also given in the description of this video below, and you can book the lifetime version of this indicator. Thank you very much for watching this video.